Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's 8 something in the morning and I work evenings, so I'm really tired. I went to sleep around 2 in the morning. Anyway, it is another holiday Santa Claus parade put on by an actual dance school. So here we go. Looks like we're starting to get ready to go. So the basic camera settings, just to keep everything simple, and the sun was fading in and out a bit here and there during the shoot, so I basically used the Pentax TAV mode, which for those who do not shoot Pentax is basically manual mode with auto ISO, and the images were shot between 800 ISO and 400 ISO, as well as a shutter speed of between 1/800th of a second and 1/1250th of a second at f5.6. And yeah, just left it at that and focused more on getting the images. So here you go. One thing to note is always pay attention to your surroundings. As you can see here, a lot of people are in the way and you're walking backwards, so just make sure you're not walking into somebody. And as always, that's it for this video, and you will see me on my next one.